What tool or resource did I give you that helped you the most?
Oh, there are so many tools, but you taught me the right way to do things. And I love stories. This is just a great example. Lou would say, you have to work your open houses. It's not a time to just hang out, eat donuts, drink coffee, work your open houses. And if you're not exhausted at the end of your open house, you didn't do it right. And so it's, those little nuts and bolts of the business and some details that I just didn't know about. So you just really taught me the right way to do things. And again, but the bottom line is you pushed me out of my comfort zone in so many ways, so many times, and it paid off.
Well, I miss you. I didn't realize you bought an investment property. Got rid of one, bought another one. That's fantastic.
That's the way I roll.
That's good. That's the whole point behind it. And you're doubling things. I'm always here for a phone call or whatever. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate you doing this with me.